Hello students, now there is a question of NEET 2022. There is question asked in 2022 of the projectile motion. A ball is projected with velocity 10 meter per second at an angle of 60 degree with the vertical direction. Its speed at highest point of its trajectory below. It means we have to find the velocity of the ball at highest point. There is a particle or a ball. Suppose there is a ball and it is projected with velocity u, whose value is given as 10 meter per second, and its angle is given over here with the vertical. The ball is projected from this point of projection at an angle of 60 degree with the vertical. Then angle of projection is this, and this angle is 90 degree. Then its this angle can be obtained 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. Now we have to find the velocity at highest point. So now we resolve the velocity of this particle. The velocity of projection of this ball along horizontal direction is 10 cos 30 degree, and the velocity of the projection along bidirection or vertical direction is 10 sin 30 degree. We know that as the body reaches to the top point, as the body reaches to the up, its velocity is going to be decreases. At top point or highest point of the trajectory, at the top point the velocity along bidirection becomes 0, and after that its velocity is going to be increases, and finally when it touches to the ground, its velocity becomes from which it is projected along bidirection. So then the velocity of the body along bidirection is 10 sin 30. Then at ground, when it is going to be touched or strike, at that point the velocity along bidirection is 10 sin 30. Now along horizontal direction. Along horizontal direction there is no force acting on this body. Therefore net force acting on the body is equal to 0. So its acceleration is 0. And acceleration is 0, it means the velocity of the body along horizontal direction remains constant. As simply we know that the velocity of the body along horizontal direction during projectile motion remains constant because its acceleration is 0. Then velocity of the body at every point on the trajectory along horizontal direction, its velocity remains same or constant. At initial point or at point of projection, the velocity along horizontal direction is 10 cos 30. At this point also will be 10 cos 30. At this point also will be 10 cos 30. At this point also will be 10 cos 30. At this point also will be 10 cos 30. It means during projectile motion, the velocity along horizontal direction remains same. Why? Because its acceleration is 0. And acceleration is 0 why? Because there is no force acts along horizontal direction during projectile motion. Then at the top point or at highest point, velocity along bidirection is 0. Only the velocity of the ball along horizontal direction. It means at highest point, the velocity of the ball is equal to 10 cos 30 degree. 10 cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. 2 5s are 10. It means 5 root 3 meter per second. Thank you for watching.